Blockheads. Just changed the oil on the 48, taking it out for a spin. I gotta grab some food, so I'm just gonna take her out and make sure she's running well. Seems to be doing fine. Man, riding this bike is a lot of fun. And sorry about the wind noise, by the way. I've got my darker visor on, my darker reflective visor. So I basically just wore a pair of glasses and I'm leaving my visor open. Yeah, dog. Oh man, this is like the cruiser person's Grom. This thing is tiny, and well, the first time I rode it, the tire pressure was pretty low, and so it didn't feel like super like responsive whenever I would, you know, be pushing the bars back and forth. But inflated the tires and it's good to go, man. Like they were quite a bit below pressure. I don't really want to admit it. Yeah, I made a mistake. Should have been the first thing I checked, but it wasn't. So whatever. Don't judge me. Get out the way. I always do enjoy, like on Sportsters, how it's that easy to like lock your bars. I wish it was that easy on the dyno. Anyways, you guys knew we were coming to Chick-fil-A. Got a good chicken. Huemingus is good. It's a little more of a hike though. Yes. It's getting there. You can smell the oil burning off. It dripped a little bit on the pipes here, but otherwise it was a pretty clean oil change. Alright. Food 30. Alright, that was delicious. Take a long way home. Probably top this thing off. Woo! That is the one thing about the Sportster, man. It, especially with the forwards, doesn't really have a ton of ground clearance. So the lean angle isn't that great, especially compared to like the Lowrider S. Although, I did just slam the out of the Lowrider S. Yeah, my clearance is kind of suffered from that. But, still a fun bike to ride. And, technically, if I want to get my super lean on with some crazy grippy, wide, sticky tires, I'll ride the CBR. That bike was built for leaning. Seriously? I was about to go ahead of you, bro. Still might go ahead of you, bro. It's always fun getting a new bike, man. It's like, kind of learn it. I gotta learn the lean angle. Oh, sorry. Put it real close to that guy. I will say, I mean, it's definitely way more peppy than the 883. But I mean, for those of you out there that say, yeah, you tune up a Sportster and it'll kick any big V-twin's ass, I disagree. I mean, I would love to ride a Sportster that's as fast as my Lowrider S. But I'm gonna be honest, I don't see it happening. I mean, you're arguing like displacement, like massive amounts more displacement. Like this is a 1200, my Lowrider S is an 1800. So it's an extra 600 cc's, which Harley makes another bike that is like a 500. So that's like adding another freaking bike. I don't know. There's a lot of you guys out there that have said it. Like, yeah, if you soup up a... Yeah, bro, your trunk is open. Is that on purpose, or... So yeah, there's a lot of you guys out there that basically say, like, souped up Sportster, yeah, like I said, kick a V-twin's ass, but, you know, like I said, I just don't see it. Nothing like changing the oil and like running the shit out of the bike, right? You gotta make sure it's good to go. Go! Weather Beach. Should I change the primary fluid when I get home? I probably should, especially with it like nice and warmed up. You ever get those times, this is gonna sound crazy, especially coming from me, but you ever get those times where you're just like tired of working on your bike? Or a bike? There's definitely times where, I don't know, it's a balance, man. It's like, I get a lot of enjoyment out of actually wrenching on the bikes. It's almost therapeutic, you know? Just you in the garage and tools and getting your hands dirty and feeling like you've accomplished something by the time you're done. Can't wait to throw an exhaust on this thing here. And a better seat. Ugh. This Springer seat is, man, it is rough. Super rough. What up, Hogwarts? Man, there's a lot of employees at Universal. I suppose it is the holidays, so they're busy. So need to find an opening where get a good photo. Just be like letting some employees escape. Escape. Damn, dude, this thing is full. There are no openings. I'm gonna have to park next to a car and take a photo. Damn it. Usually I like to have my backdrop a little open, but beggars can't be choosers, right? You know what they say? I'll just go on the lower level. That's what I'll do. The lighting is good there too. Anyways, yeah, I mean, sometimes just I don't feel like working on the bike at all. Just feel like just riding it. Riding the Sportster is weird. The only reason I'm riding it right now is because I was like, you know, I'll just go to Chick-fil-A. See, man, but that's what it's made for. It's a quick little round town bike. It's a Chick-fil-A bike. Card access parking. I mean, I could just straight go through any one of these and just be like, yo, my access parking, suckers. Take a picture in front of this. Rebel. Alright, how we doing? Not leaking oil or anything? Good there. Filter good. Yep, cool. So it's interesting to see like the progression. Man, this bike is gonna look so good when we're done with it. Alright, I do need to change the primary. Seriously though, I could squeeze right through one of those. That's what's awesome about riding a little motorcycle. I mean, go through here instead of like over there if I want. Dude, look how open all this is. Why did everybody park on the top level? There's like nobody down here. What is that? It is low. Is it wrapped? Dude. Brock's exhaust. Wrapped. Stretched. Is that a... See? What the hell is this thing? Dude, it is like stitched together. Oh my god. Crazy looking. Dude, this thing needs an exhaust so bad. It would be singing sweet V-twin baby making music. Nope. But instead it has nothing. Yeah, we're just gonna call that a random one. A random rides. I need a catchy title for like random rides. Maybe I should just call it that. Random rides. Like I was trying to come up with something catchy for the Blockhead bike build, but I'm like, dude, that actually sounds kind of catchy. Blockhead bike build. Coming soon to a YouTube screen near you. I'm beat. I really don't feel like changing the primary. I think I'm gonna skip it. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed the episode. If you did, hit the like button. If you guys aren't subscribed, hit the subscribe button. If you guys want some behind the scenes access, sneak peeks, all that good stuff, check out the Patreon link below. And until next time, you guys ride safe out there. Stay vigilant. How long can you let tires like set in a garage before you have to like just change them? I don't think there's dry rot or anything on them. It does feel a little wobbly though. Man, gotta friggin' change the tires. I guess that's, the perk of getting a bike that hasn't been ridden, but that's like kind of older. So it's a 2010 with like not even 1900 miles on it. It's got 1898. I probably put, I don't know, maybe like 30 miles on it. But downside is that it sets and the tires go bad, but that's a small price to pay for like the deal that we got. Anyways, count your blessings, Blockhead. Damn. Complaining about a new Sportster. Sounds stupid when I say it out loud. Alright. Okay, I'll get ahead of you, that's fine. Thanks for actually being aware that I was there. Appreciate that. Stupid light cameras, man. It's like, so what if they take a picture of you and your brake lights are on? So basically it's like, they can't tell if you're actually moving or not. I've had mine taken by that camera up ahead a couple times. I'm famous. Paparazzi. So stupid. It's so bright. And how does it know? See, it took a picture of that guy twice, but he stopped. So what's the deal there? Is it going to send him a ticket? I wouldn't pay that ticket. There's some article talking about how it's unlawful to get tickets from those things because it's not an actual human. You know, machines make errors. There was some lawyer in the state of Florida that went up against the state, ended up winning, and I forget what happened. I don't know if people got refunds or basically they just don't have to pay. Stupid traffic cameras. Man, when we went to Arizona, those traffic cameras are crazy. They're all over the place. The crazy thing about the traffic cameras over there is that they would mount them onto cars, and so it just looked like a car was sitting on the side of the road. Crazy bastards. I was signing up, but you guys know I can't do my sign out unless I'm moving, so it's just a unwritten Blockhead rule. Here we go. Insert Mario Kart music.